Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating essentials. Make sure the Steam client is updated and you are logged into the exact account that made the attempt. Next, inspect the payment method, card number, CVV, expiration, and billing address, because mismatches cause most declines. Check your bank app for holds, limits, or 3D secure prompts. Once done, note the Steam error text and order ID. Keep a screenshot. This immediate info speeds the next steps and prevents wasted retries. You now tackle the messy middle. Switch to an alternate payment method if available. PayPal or Steam Wallet often bypass card gateways. Make sure to clear the Steam client cache. Steam Settings downloads clear download cache, then fully restart the client to reset sessions. If the client still fails, perform the purchase via the Steam website in an incognito window. This rules out cookie or extension conflicts. Also, temporarily disable VPNs and ad blockers, because they can break payment verification. Finish by confirming the transaction. Open Account View Purchase History to verify status, order ID, and any pending charges. If the purchase did go through incorrectly, request a Steam refund within policy windows. Otherwise, contact your bank to investigate declines or holds. Make sure to gather screenshots, timestamps, and any decline codes for Steam support. One key troubleshooting tip: if you keep hitting declines, try adding a small $1 authorization on the card or use a different billing address. Banks often block unfamiliar merchant patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.